Conas Tauntu. Hello there, Ben from Bite Size Irish here. I woke up this morning with a bit of a swollen eye. I don't know if you can see this, a bit nasty. But I thought it was a good opportunity to teach you how to say my eye is swollen, and it's an expression that you can use to speak about other parts of your body as well. Then just to take a look at some associated phrases and vocabulary. So first of all, to say my eye is swollen, you would say tá mo húil atta. Tá mo húil atta. And again, tá mo húil atta. You could use the same structure to talk about another part of your body. For instance, if you wanted to say that your ankle is swollen, tá mo routine atta. Tá mo routine atta. Tá mo routine atta. Now, you might wonder what happened to me, and if you want to ask what happened to you, you would say, Cad a hála dit. Cad a hála dit. Cad a hála dit. And I might reply by saying, Bhí mé dornálaíocht. I was boxing. Bhí mé dornálaíocht. And again, bhí mé ag dornálaíocht. Now, dornálaíocht, boxing, comes from the word for fist in Irish, which is doran. Doran. And again, doran. Now, the truth is I wasn't boxing. So if I were to say I was boxing, I'd be telling a lie. To tell a lie, bréag a ancient. And again, bréag a ancient. So the truth of the matter is I was bitten by a mosquito. So if we want to say a mosquito took a bite out of me, we would say Bhuin muiscít jaim asam. Bhuin muiscít jaim asam. And one more time, Bhuin muiscít jaim asam. Took Bhuin mosquito muiscít jaim bite asam out of me. So just to finish up, we want to say that somebody has a swollen head. There are a few different ways. We'll take this one here, which literally means he is full of himself or she is full of himself. So they have a swollen head. They have a very high opinion of themselves. So first of all, for a woman, tá sí lán de féin. Tá sí lán de féin. Tá sí lán de féin. For a man, tá sé lán de féin. Tá sé lán de féin. Tá sé lán de féin. Tá go maith. Very well, I hope you enjoyed today's little lesson. Until the next time, take care. Slán go fóill.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.